Mokotowska Street is an elegant and prestigious neighborhood in the heart of Warsaw. It offers a glimpse into the city's glamorous lifestyle. The stylish boutiques and charming heritage townhouses create a unique atmosphere. We had the pleasure to design an apartment in one of them. Originally, the apartments were very large, with ceilings over 4 meters high. They each had 2 entrances. The main entrance was from one side of the marble staircase. After the war, all such private apartments were nationalized and divided into smaller units. We started the renovation by removing partition walls and non-heritage elements. The granite floor refers to classic Caro checkerboard patterns. The entrance hall regained its representative character. We have restored an enfilade, comprising of a suite of rooms aligned with each other, the doors of which provide a vista through all of them. The dining room has a solid wooden 10-seater table. The room is situated between the living room and the kitchen. Proximity of the kitchen has obviously practical considerations. The location of the living room serves to create a special atmosphere. The guests enjoying an aperitif around the fireplace before being called to the table. The fireplace combines clean lines with strong architectural form. We have generally avoided the reconstruction of opulent moldings. Our client, an esteemed art collector, has adorned his apartment with an extensive array of rare antique objects, sculptures, and paintings. The bathroom is monochrome, puristically designed with only one decorative feature in the form of an antique silver mirror frame. There's a hidden bathroom cabinet behind the mirror. All the furniture is made from solid wood by talented craftsmen and artists. They are absolutely unique, and some of them are very old. Despite the abundance, the apartment exudes elegance without feeling overcrowded. Our client was enchanted by the view of the surrounding mansard roofs and the inspiring outline of notable skyscrapers. We treated the windows like paintings. Each is framed by richly ruffled fabric in the style of an Austrian curtain. The view is amazing.